Today's lesson is about transformation questions on IB exam. A second graph is defined by g of x equals 2f of x minus 1. Calculate g of 0, g of 1, g of 2, and g of 3. So for g of 0, I can plug into this formula. For x, you got to turn into 0. Therefore, I got the 2f of 0 minus 1. Then you get the 2f of negative 1. Given graph, this is a f of x. From this graph, we can get the f of negative 1, that is this point. You got the negative 1, 3, which means f of negative 1 equals to 3. So we got 2 times 3 equals to 6. For g of 1, still, every x turned into 1, we got 2 times f of 1 minus 1 equals to 2f of 0. On the graph, you will find out f of 0, that is 2. So we got 2 times 2 equals 4. Now we got to do g of 2 equals 2 times f of 2 minus 1. You just need to plug into this formula. You will get the 2 times f of 1. F of 1, they give you 0. So you got the 2 times 0 equals 0. Now let's go to g of 3. We got the 2f of 3 minus 1. And we got 2 times f of 2. From the graph, we could find f of 2 equals 1. Therefore, we got 2 times 1 equals 2. Now go to B. On the same axis, sketch the graph of the function g of x. You are given this is a f of x. So you got the g of x equals 2 times the f of x minus 1. So we got to do transformation. For this 2, which means vertically stretched by factor of 2, which means for each point on the f of x, the y coordinate multiplied by 2. Second step, that is move to the right 1 unit, because inside is a liar. Then on the graph, find the critical points. This is given A, B, C, D, E points. And for this curve, you can find the critical points like this one. Think about this one is 2.5 or very close to 2.5 for this one. Therefore, for each point, we do vertically stretch by factor of 2, then move to the right 1 unit. These points, that's the y coordinate is 2.5, then multiply by 2, they go to 5. From this 5, then move to the right 1 unit, is go here. Then check this A. A point, vertically stretched by factor of 2, that means your y coordinate 3 multiplied by 2 will go here. Then move to the right 1 unit, that's here. Now let's go to B point. Vertically stretched by factor of 2 y coordinate 2 multiplied by 2, I go this one. Then move to the right 1, go here. Now let's go to this C. Y coordinate multiplied by 2, that's still 0. Then move to the right 1, that's here. Let's go to this D. Vertically stretched by 2, that's y coordinate 1 multiplied by 2, go here. Move to the right 1, go here. Then for this E, y coordinate is 5 times 2, that will be 10. Just estimate over here. Then move to the right 1, go here. Now you need to connect all this cross. From this graph, that is g of x, that you can figure out all of a g of 0 from this graph. You could see these points. That's 6, so equals 6. G of 1 equals, this is 1. Then vertical line cross over here, that is 4. G of 2, that will be 0. G of 3, that will be equals 2. So for question A, there are 2 ways to do that. Which way you like better, just use it. Now look at the one more question. Let f of x equals 1 over x, that's the parent rational function. And sketch the graph of f. For parent rational function, f of x equals 1 over x. The table you will get will be plus or minus 1/2. Then you will get the plus or minus 2. Plus minus 1, you will get plus minus 1. For plus or minus 2, you will get plus minus 1 over 2. For parent rational function, we have asymptote line. X-axis and y-axis are both asymptote line. So let's draw this. This is a asymptote line. Then you sketch these 6 points. You got 1, 1. 1/2 is 2. And 2, it will be 1/2. So sketch the graph like this. This is the points. Then you get over here, and over here. Sketch the graph. For B, the graph of f is transformed to the graph of G by transformation of 2, 3. 2, 3 is a vector. That means x, y. You will move to the right 2 units and go up 3 units. That's the meaning for that. Therefore, for B, find the expressions of G. Since we move to the right 2 units, inside is a liar. Therefore, you get the G of x equals 1 over x minus 2. Then you go up 3 units. That means your y, the whole thing, you add 3. This will be the function for g of x. Remember, insider is a liar. Insider means those elements dealing with x. For C, find the intersect of G. Intersect, that means you have x-intercept. X-intercept, that means x0. Then you have y-intercept. Y-intercept, you will get the 0, y. Let's do y-intercept first. For y-intercept means x equals 0. So we plug 0 to this g function. You will get the 1 over 0 minus 2 plus 3. So we figure out the answer is 5 over 2. For x-intercept, you will set up 1 over x minus 2 plus 3 equals 0. Then we solve for that. We got cross 3 the other side. Therefore, we got 1 over x minus 2 equals negative 3. Then I do cross multiply. You will get 1 equals negative 3x plus 6. Then x equals 5 over 3. Therefore, the x-intercept will be 5 over 3, 0. And y-intercept, that's 0, 5 over 2. For D, find out the asymptote line. Asymptote line, since we did a transformation, you can do the transformation for the vertical asymptote line and a horizontal asymptote line. For vertical asymptote line, you move to the right 2 units. Go down or go up, it doesn't matter. We just need to move to the right 2 units. So this is the new asymptote line. For horizontal asymptote line, we still do the transformation, move to the right 2 and then go up 3 units. Therefore, we got this will be the asymptote line. Therefore, the asymptote line, you will get x equals 2 and y equals 3. Now sketch the graph of G. First of all, you got to do the transformation for these 6 points. Go to right 2 and up 3. Let's do that. For here, I have 1, 2, then go up 3. 1, 2, 3, go here. This one is right 2, go up 3. 1, 2, 3, go here. This one, you go right 2 and go up 3. 1, 2, 3, go here. For another 3 points, I need to go right 2, up 3. 1, 2, 3, it's here. Then this one, go right 2, up 3. 1, 2, 3, it's here. Then you will get from here. Since we already got the y-intercept and the x-intercept for g of x, so we will plot the points. 5 over 3, 0, that is 1.7 something. You will get 1.7 estimate over here. Y-intercept, that's 0, 2.5. It's already plotted over here. Then you connect this cross. For asymptote line, very close but never touch. That's it.